I've got this Coach wallet for like daily use. I wanted something like small, in which I could carry some coins and maybe a lot of cards like credit cards, identity card and stuff. And this is how the wallet looks like. Okay. It has this white, a lot of stuffs inserted inside. Okay. I'll show you the compartments. So here you can carry the cash, and then here there are like 8 slots for card, and this is the zip where you can put in your maybe keys or coins, things like that. Nice, isn't it?